how you can transfer files from your phone internal memory to SD card. What's up guys, hope you guys are fine. If you see our videos for the first time, please subscribe our channel. So without making any further delay, let's go to the screen directly. Please.
As you can see in the screen, once I click onto SD card tab, storage and SD card showing their free capacity and stored capacity. My internal storage showing 24 GB has already been filled up out of 25.43 GB. My SD card is showing out of 16 GB, 4.75 GB has been filled up. So I want to transfer my internal storage to SD card. So now I'm showing you the way I'm doing it. I'll have to go back and click onto storage. Now I can see the storage files. I select the contents of internal storage and I click onto the move. Once I click onto move, whether I will transfer it on SD card or internal storage. So as I want to transfer these files to SD card, so tick mark on, select on SD card, and directly I'll have to paste on where I can store and transfer these files. So in this way you can transfer your internal storage files to SD card.
Please subscribe our channel, hit the like button, share as many as possible, and give your comment what kind of video do you want.